In this video, we will be drawing a sketch of this polynomial. I see three factors here, and each factor is going to tell us an x-intercept, or 0, of the polynomial. Imagine setting each one of these equal to 0 and solving. So if I set x equal to 0 and x plus 1 equals 0 and x minus 3 equals 0. This is how I get the x-intercepts. Well, I'm not sure why I drew an arrow on that one, because this is done. X equals 0 is one of the x-intercepts. And here I would get x equals -1. And here I would get x equals 3. So I have 0, -1, and 3. Okay, so here's 0, -1, and 3. Now, depending on the multiplicity, I can imagine how the graph will behave at each x-intercept. If I have a single factor, it passes straight through. If I have a double factor, it bounces off. If I have a triple factor, it forms an inflection. It sort of flattens out and then continues on through. In this case, each one is a single factor, so it should pass straight through each of these. So just keep that in mind. So I'm just going to remind myself through, and through. I also need to think about the end behavior. I think I'm going to change colors here. For my end behavior, I keep in mind charts like this. End behavior is all about the degree. If the degree is even, the end behavior will be one of these two, positive version and negative version. If the degree is odd, it'll be either like a capital N or a backwards capital N. So in this case, the degree is 3. That is odd. So, and there's no negative sign in front, so it's going to be the positive version of my odd degree. So my end behavior is going to be like this, down and then up. So this is the type of sketch I'm looking for end behavior wise. Importantly, this tells me to start low. So I'm going to start off low and I'm going to go through. So if I do that, if I start off low, I go through this one, and through that one. So I'm going to have a graph that looks like this. Starts low, ends high, and it goes through -1, 0, and 3. So let's hunt for that. First of all, starting low, ending high, that eliminates this one. Okay, I don't see any bounces or anything, so now I'm just looking for my x-intercepts of -1, 0, and 3. So let's see. -1, 0, and 3. It looks like B is going to be the answer, because that's not -1, and that's not -1. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be B.